Hello everyone, I'm Shruti Kanungo. I am currently in my 4th semester from MA Sociology. I am a humanities pass out, so I had deep inclination towards sociology as my subject. I did my graduation in sociology, and then KIIT was my natural choice to pursue because of the academic orientation, the activity-based learning, and the field engagement and the flexible curriculum that they offer. So my teachers and the mentors have always been very, very versatile and dynamic. They are from different fields, and their approach towards the subject was very vast. So I was keen to join sociology here. So first is its dynamic approach. It's multidisciplinary in nature. It has in public policy, in social sector, its diverse applicability. Personally, my favorite thing have been the engaging classroom activities, the activity-based learnings that we engage in. There is always a creative side to it. So we are always have that capacity to engage in different, like we have photo essays, we go for field works, we write case studies. So this engaging experience is fun to learn. So currently, I am actually planning to get into the social sector. So I have been applying for the civil society organizations. So I'm looking to work with children in children education as my specialization.